Hi my dear all students, right? This is the second day of your mathematics class, okay, right? Last class I already introduced about the syllabus and the short notes, short introduction of sets, okay? I think you already know that today that this class, next class will going to take your first chapter, right? For that, today I will going to take your first chapter, right? You know what's a chapter name is sets. Our first chapter name is sets, okay, right? For that, you know what is sets. Anybody can possible to explain what is sets? You know what is sets means. For everywhere we can possible to say about the sets, okay, right? आप लोग अभी मन में सोचते होगा सेट का मतलब क्या है, सेट्स कैसे आता है, right? For that I will introduce what is sets, okay? Sets, you can check it easily here. Sets is a well-defined collection of objects, okay, right? Is a well-defined collection of objects. For that we can say everywhere also, right? From your home, one set is there in your own home, right? Your family members, the set, that's all people are a set. That set means his name is relations, family members, right? Okay. From that means when you are going in somewhere to play, right? For that also we can say that there also one set. The set name is friend circle, right? Here already just explained here the objects, right? Sets are commonly used to define the concepts of relation and function, right? Okay. Here sets are commonly used. कोई relation means already told that family member is a relation, your friend circle is a relation. Like that means relation के लिए भी the same like functions, okay, right? For that function also it's used by sets, okay, right? Is a concept of sets, right? And just listen, just look at here. The theory of sets was developed by, okay, कौन बनाया था? Sets का theory कौन बनाया था, right? Okay. Here the theory of sets was developed by German mathematician George Cantor, right? German mathematician, is a great mathematician in Germany, right? Is a German mathematician is made the concepts of sets, okay? For that just listen. Now this situation also we are using the sets in the business sections. We can possible to say from there means in a one shop, okay? Otherwise means in one shop anywhere also we are using the concept of sets. For that only the George Cantor is developed the sets, okay? I already explained some examples from here, okay? From examples, some set example we can possible to say the odd natural numbers less than 20. Odd natural numbers less than 20, right? We can say that odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc., etc., right? Is less than 20. The same way the another one, the states in India, right? The states in India, right? From here, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, etc., right? Same like in the some states, okay, right? For all 29 states in India, that's also one set, okay, right? And here, just look at here the example for sets, okay, used particularly in mathematics, right? Some sets, okay, some sets means no need to write fully, okay, right? For some examples, one short form we are using to define the sets, okay? From here, the first one, n. N, what's the meaning of n? N, the set of all natural numbers, right? The n is a set of all natural numbers. Means example for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Right? That is the short form of n. Okay, full form of n, right? Short form is the n, the set of all natural numbers, right? The same way we can possible to say the z. Okay, z means the set of all integers, right? Set of all integers, right? 0 we can say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we can say, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, right? That every numbers is a set of all integers is defined as z, okay, right? From here the z plus. Z plus means is a positive integers, right? Z means is a all integers. From here just look at here, okay, z plus, right, is only for positive integers, right? It's defined as positive integers, right? And the next short form is q, right? Q, what's the meaning of q? The set of all rational numbers, right? The set of all rational numbers is defined as denoted as q, right? And the another one is q plus, the positive rational numbers, okay, right? Before the previous classes you studied the rational number, right? 1 by 2 we can say is a rational number, right? 1, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, that all numbers are in rational numbers, right? We already studied in the previous classes. From here the same way rational numbers we can denote it in positive and negatives, okay? Positive numbers and negative numbers, right? That's why Q is using for the positive in rational numbers, Q plus is using for the positive rational number, right? Q is using for the rational numbers, Q plus is positive rational number, right? And the last one is the R, okay, right? R is the set of all real numbers, right? Okay. You know what is real numbers, right? We can say that in a number line, how many numbers can possible to write in a number line, that all number is called real numbers, right? That all number is called real numbers, okay? We can 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Counting numbers is a real number, right? 0.5, 0.005, 0.0005, right? Etc. is all are real numbers, right? Not only the positive sides, is a negative sides also, right? From here, the R plus is a positive real number, right? R plus is a positive real number, right? This is a basic, okay, basic of the chapter set, okay? This is the basic of the chapter set, and the sets is commonly denoted in two types, okay, right? Commonly in two types, right? That every informations I will going to introduce you in the next class, okay, right? And I am expecting that all students is clear this concepts, what is sets, right? Okay. And if you have any doubt about this chapter means, you can possible to call and ask. You can possible to take the you can possible to call. You can possible to means ask the doubts, anything also, right? Okay. For my number, okay. For that all teachers numbers, it will available on in our group, okay, right? Any subject also, if you have the doubt means, you can take the numbers in the group. This number will be add in the group, okay? And I'm feeling that you got the concept of this chapter. You have any doubt means call and ask me, okay? Thank you.